Welcome to our guide on using QinPrinting templates on Canva. Let's dive into the steps. Start by downloading the required template from the QinPrinting website. Open the template, navigate to the sidebar, and select the page containing only lines. Extract this page as a separate file. Now, head over to the Canvas design page. Click Upload and select your newly extracted PDF. Select Open in a new tab. You'll now see a design canvas with bleed lines and trim line. To change the unit from mm to inches, go to Resize Magic Switch Custom Size, change the unit to in, and click Continue. Resize this design. When designing, ensure the layer with the template is on the top level and locked. This allows you to see the position of the trim line clearly. Utilize high-resolution images for your design work. Once your design is complete, unlock the template's layers and adjust the transparency to 0. Ready to download? Click Share, Download, select PDF Print, uncheck Crop Marks and Bleed. Choose CMYK for the color profile. Follow these steps, and you'll have a printable PDF file ready to go. Happy designing!